Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to charge our device, we have two options. We can use the charger and the USB cable that is included in the box in order to, of course, charge in the most natural way by using the charger and, of course, the USB cable as I mentioned. However, there's also the option to charge wirelessly. But first I'm gonna show you the first method with the USB cable. So I'm gonna open the box in order to show you where to find the charger if you missed it. There we go, we can take this part out, and over here we have the USB cable and the charger. So plug this in and then connect it to your device. And over here I have my own cable that I use all the time. So this works pretty much the same way. So all you need to do is plug it in at the bottom. Let me actually showcase. There we go, over here at the bottom we have the USB input and we need to plug it in. There we go. This is how we can charge our Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Now I'm gonna show you the method with the wireless charging. So if you have the wireless charger over here, then all you need to do is simply place the device on the charger, and there we go, we are charging now our Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!